Hey everyone! Welcome back to KnowledgeHeals, where we turn complex topics into simple, easy to understand concepts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of algebra. What is algebra? How do we use it in everyday life? And what are some examples to help you grasp the concept better? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of algebra. Let's get started. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols. These symbols represent numbers and quantities in formulas and equations. Essentially, algebra is all about finding the unknown or putting real-life variables into equations and then solving them. Algebra is equal to study of symbols and rules for manipulating them. Think of it as a way to take a problem, turn it into a mathematical sentence, and then solve it using logical steps. Algebra helps us describe relationships between things, understand patterns, and solve problems efficiently. Let's start with some basics. In algebra, we often use letters like x, y, and z to represent unknown values. These letters are called variables. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows the relationship between different values. For example, 2x plus 3 equals sine 7 is an algebraic equation. In this equation, 2x means 2 times x. To solve for x, we need to isolate the variable. Here's how we do it. We will solve this equation by following the order of operations and isolating the equation. Step 1. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. 2x equals 4. Step 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 4, divided by 2. X equals 2. We've solved it. X is 2. Sounds good. Let's practice more. Why is algebra important? Algebra is incredibly important because it's used in various fields and everyday situations. Whether you're calculating the distance on a trip, adjusting a recipe, or managing finances, algebra comes into play. It's a fundamental part of science, engineering, medicine, economics, and more. Example 1, cooking. When adjusting a recipe, algebra helps you scale ingredients up or down. If a recipe calls for 2 cups of flour and you want to make half the amount, you use algebra to figure out you need 1 cup. Example 2, budgeting. Budgeting is another great example. If you have a budget of $500 and want to save $200, algebra helps you determine how much you can spend on other things. Example 3, science and engineering. In science and engineering, algebra is used to calculate forces, speeds, and other critical factors. For example, the formula for the distance traveled by an object moving at a constant speed is distance equal to speed multiplied by time. If you know the speed and time, you can use algebra to find the distance. Let's go through a few more examples to reinforce our understanding. Example 1, simple equation. Example, 3y minus 4 equals sine 11. For isolating equation, we are adding 4 on both sides. Step 1, add 4 to both sides. 3i minus 4 equal 11 plus 4. 3yy equal to 15. Now for isolating y, we are dividing both sides by 3. Step 2, divide both sides by 3. 3y divided by 3 equals sine 15 divided by 3. I equal to 5. Hence we reach to our answer y equals 5, which solves our equation. Let's use the formula for the area of a rectangle. Area equals sine length, x width. If the area is 24 square units and the length is 6 units, what is the width? Example, area equals length, multiply width, 24 equals 6 multiply width. Step 1, divide both sides by 6. 24 divided by 6 equals 6 multiply width, divided by 6. 4 equals sine width. The width is 4 units. Practice with more examples to sharpen your skills. Keep practicing to improve. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of algebra and how it's used in everyday life. Remember, algebra is all about finding the unknown and making sense of the relationships between different quantities. Practice regularly and you'll become more comfortable with it over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to KnowledgeHeals for more educational content. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.